Good morning everyone, I am Tarushkar and I am going to present in depth look at a type of current account offered by Kotak Mahindra Bank. In this presentation, we all are covered the bank history, what is current account and various current account offered by the Kotak Mahindra Bank with the futures, pros and cons. Establishment: Kotak Mahindra Bank was founded as Kotak Mahindra Finance Limited in 1985 and converted into bank in 2003. Headquartered located in the Mumbai, Maharashtra and India. Move: it was first non-banking financial company in India to transition into a full-fledged bank. Product and services offered via wide range of financial products including personal and corporate banking, wealth and management, investment banking and insurance. Digital innovation known for its digital banking services including Kotak 811, which provides a fully digital paperless saving account experience. Customer-centric approach focus on customer satisfaction, convenience and innovation in banking. Now we will discuss current account. Current account are basically mean of a businessman and never used to purpose of investment or saving. These deposits are most liquid deposit and there are no limit for number of transaction or the amount of transaction in daily. Most of the current account are opened in the name of firm and company account. Checkbook facility is provided and the account holder can deposit all the types of check and draft in their name and all endorsed by the favor of the third party. If we talk about the futures, no transaction limit. There are no restrictions on the number of transactions that can be made per day. Overdraft facility: current account can be used to avail an overdraft facility to meet working capital needs. Check allowance: current account holder receive monthly allowance of free checks. Banking services: current account holder can use phone and now we will discuss types of current account. First, Edge current account. Kotak Mahindra Bank Edge current account is designed for a small medium business offering a higher cash deposit limit, converting transaction options, digital banking tools and cash management solution to support a business growth. Pro current account. Kotak Mahindra Bank Pro current account is scheduled for a business with a high transaction need, providing an increased cash deposit limit, free demand draft, digital banking solution, and enhanced transaction benefit to streamline business operation. Third one is Elite current account. Kotak Mahindra Bank Elite current account is designed for a large enterprises, offering premium features like high transaction and cash deposit limit, professional trade finance rate and a comprehensive cash management solution to support a complex business need. Fourth one is a startup current account. Kotak Mahindra Bank startup current account is scheduled for a new businesses offering a benefits like free cash deposit, essentials bank services and digital tools to support a startup in managing their finance efficiently. Trade current account. Kotak Mahindra Bank trade current account is designed for a business involved in international trade, offering a specialized services like foreign exchange trade finance to facilitate a smooth cross-border transaction. Edge current account features: no minimum balance requirement. The Edge current accounts allow a business and individual to maintain the account without the need to maintain a minimum balance, making it cost-effective options for a startup and a small business. This feature helps to avoid penalties for a non-maintenance of a balance, offering a greater financial flexibility. Free banking transaction. The account comes with a free banking transaction including a specific number of free withdrawals and to frequently manage a cash flow, and it helps them to save on transaction free and focus on operational activities. Unlimited digital transaction. A customer can perform unlimited digital banking transactions such as online transfer, payments, and a bill settlement without incurring extra charges. Cash deposit facilities. This allows a business to easily deposit cash without worrying about the additional charges. Make it easier to manage a cash flow. Personalized checkbook. This make it convenient for a business with the multiple branches operating across different carry out the transaction. Pros: free transaction at non-Kotak ATMs. It allows free transaction at over 1,000 ATMs bank, making it a convenient for a customer who frequently withdraw cash. This is beneficial for a business that need access to the cash quickly without incurring the additional charges. Customized banking solution. The account offered a tailored solutions for a business such as flexibility in terms of maintaining the minimum balance at the options to choose between various value added. Higher transaction limit. The accounts comes with the higher transaction limit, enabling business to make the large fund transfer, deposit and withdraw without having to worry about daily limit. This is a useful for business with a high transaction volume. 24/7 access to banking. Kotak Mahindra Bank provide round-the-clock access to account services via internet banking, mobile banking, and their dedicated helpline. This make it easy for business owners to manage their finance, monitor transaction, and resolve issue at any time. Value-added services. Cons. High minimum balance requirement. This could challenging for a business and a startup with the limited cash flow, as failing to maintain the required balance could result in penalties or charges. Limited branch access for a small business. This can be inconvenient for a business located in remote areas that require frequent in-person services. Charges for some services. While many services are free, certain features such as cash deposit beyond a specific limit, checkbook request, and certain types of demand draft may incur changes. Complex fee structure. The fee structure of the Edge current account can be a complex specified for the business. They are not fully aware of the charges associated with the different services. Limited international coverage. Kotak Mahindra Edge current account is primarily designed for the domestic transaction. While they offer trade services, business involved in a frequent international transaction may find their international banking options less robust compared to the global bank. Allied current account features. High transaction limit. The allied current accounts come with a higher transaction limit for both cash deposit and withdrawal, as well as fund transfer. This is an ideal for a business and individual with a high banking volumes who need to process a large amount of money quickly without worrying about the daily limits or restrictions. Dedicated relationship manager. Account holder are assigned a dedicated relationship manager who provides a personalized banking services and a financial advice. This manager help client with the account management, investment options, and any other banking related needs. Premium services and perks. The allied account offer access to exclusive services such as premium banking facilities and enhanced features for a domestic and international banking. Customer also receive a priority services at branches to ensure a faster processing of a transaction and a request. Free demand draft and a pay orders. Account holder can enjoy a free demand drafts and a pay orders, which are essential for making business payments or a transfer funds. Typically, these services are incurred charges with the other types of current account, but they are complementary with the allied current account. Access to the exclusive investment and the wealth management product. The allied current account provides access to the exclusive wealth management and investment product, including a mutual funds services. This feature is particularly useful for a high net worth. Pros. High transaction limit. The allied current account offers a significant high transactions limit for both withdrawals and deposits, allowing customer to handle the large transaction without worrying about the daily or a monthly restrictions. Dedicated relationship manager. Account holder are assigned to a dedicated relationship manager who offer a personalized services for in financial advice to ensuring the smooth processing of the transaction. Exclusive perks and services. Customers with an allied current account enjoy a range of exclusive services such as convenience services, priority banking, and access to the premium banking facilities. Free demand draft and pay orders. Account holder enjoy a free demand draft and pay order, which are usually charged to the regular current account. As to the wealth management and investment solution. The allied current account includes to access Kotak wealth management services, offering investment solutions such as mutual funds, bond, and put. High minimum balance requirement. The allied current account typically require a high minimum monthly balances, often the range of several lakhs, which may not be feasible for the small businesses and individual with limited funds. Monthly annual maintenance charges. While the account offer a premium features, it often comes with the higher maintenance charges compared to the standard current account, which can add up. Account holder does not make full of the benefit. Limited ability of the physical branches. While Kotak Mahindra banks with a large ATMs network, its physically branch network may not be extensive as some other banks, especially in remote and or rural area. Complexity in services uses. Due to the premium services and features, the allied current account can be overwhelming to manage, especially for the customer who are not familiar and high-end banking services. Exclusive may not suit all customers. The allied current account is designed to the high net worth individual and a large business, meaning in the future may not be suitable for the smaller business or individual with a pro current account. Features. Low minimum balance requirement. The pro current account require a minimum average quarterly balance 50,000. This relatively of a low threshold make it accessible for a small businesses and startup, allowing them to manage their finance without the pressure of the maintaining a high volume. Comprehensive transaction services, free demand draft and bank checks. Account holder can issue to up to 15 free demand drafts or a banker check free month, facilitating cost effective transaction. Enhanced cash deposit and withdrawal limit. Cash deposit up to 6 lakh per month without incurring charges. Supporting business with a substitution cash transaction. Cash withdraw up to rupees 50,000 per day without fees, accommodating daily operational need. Digital banking facilities. Access a suite for digital banking services including international banking, mobile banking, and UPI payment. These platforms offer a real-time transaction monitoring, fund transfer, and account management, enhancing operational efficiency. Dedicated relationship manager benefit from the personalized assistance through a dedicated relationship manager who provides a tailored financial solution, guidance on a banking products, and support for a complex transaction, ensuring a seamless banking. Prawns tailored for a business. The Pro Current account is designed for the business of all the sizes, from small setup to the large enterprises. It is such as a high transaction limit and enhanced liquidity management. Low minimum balance requirement. The minimum balance requirement for this account relatively to the low compared to other business accounts, making it accessible for the small businesses and startups. This feature helps in business manage their finance for more efficiently without worrying about the maintenance a high balance. Multiple free transactions. The account offers several free transactions each month, including free NEFT, RTGS transactions, free check slips, and free demand drafts. This helps to reduce the overall cost of banking for our businesses, which can often add up due of the transaction fees. Access to digital banking services. Kotak Mahindra Bank provided a robust suite of digital banking services with the Pro Current account. Features like internet banking, mobile banking, and UPI payments allow business to manage their finance from anywhere at any time, ensuring efficiency and convenience. Personalized relationship manager. Account holders are often assigned a dedicated relationship manager who provides personalized assistance with the banking services. This can be particularly beneficial for a business that require a specified finance advice or help. Cons. Charges on excess transaction. While the account offers a certain number of free transactions, any transaction beyond the specified limit can incur additional charges. For a business that have a high transaction volume, they can lead to increased cost. Limited branch access. Depending on the location of Kotak Mahindra Bank, branches are not widely available, as these larger national banks, potentially causing inconvenience for business that require frequent in-person banking services. Charges or non-maintenance of a minimum balance. While the minimum balance requirement is low, failing to maintain it can lead to charges. This can be a problem for a business with the fluctuating cash flow, as missing the required balance could result in unexpected fees. Fees for non-standard services. While the account offers a range for free services, certain additional services such as foreign exchange services, overdraft facilities, or check bounce charges may attract fees which add up the business requiring specified banking features. Complex term and condition. Some users may find the terms and conditions the account, especially around the eligibility and the charges, to be complex. For a new business or those with a limited financial and expertise. Startup current account features. Zero balance account. Kotak Mahindra offer a zero balance startup current account, which means you does not mean to maintain a minimum balance. This feature is particularly beneficial for a new startup that may have a fluctuating cash flow and prefer not worrying about maintaining a balance to avoid penalties. Online banking and mobile banking. The bank provides easily access to the online banking and mobile banking services. Through these channels, you can manage your business finance, making payments, transfer fund, track transaction, and access various banking services anywhere and anytime. Dedicated relationship manager. This RM is valuable resources assisting with the account related queries, guiding through the banking services, and providing a personalized solution that can help the startup early stages. Merchant services. These services are useful for a business that deal with physical products or services and need to provide customer with a seamless payment experience. Free transactions. These free transactions are helpful for startups to minimize costs during the initial phase. Pros. Flexible balance requirement. Many of Kotak startup accounts have a zero or a low balance requirement, which is a cash flow pressures for a new business that might not be consistent revenues. This feature helps startup focus on growth without worrying about penalties for non-maintaining a minimum balance. Digital market banking solution. Kotak offer advanced digital banking services including a mobile app and online portal. These platforms provide easy and access to account management, fund transfer, bill payment, and a real-time account updates, allowing enterprises to manage a finance conveniently on the business go. Transaction benefits. Kotak provide a free or a discounted transaction depending on the account variant. This may include free NEFT, RTGS, IMPS transaction, reducing a transactional cost for a setup that need a frequent fund transfer and allowing them to save operational expenses. Dedicated relationship manager. Having an RM dedicated to the startup current account highly beneficial for a business new to banking, and the RM assists with the personalized services, resolving queries and suggesting management solution tailored to startup financial need, creating a smoother banking experience. Cash and check handling facilities. Kotak Mahindra Bank offer a flexible cash and check deposit facility with a cons. Limit on free transactions. While Kotak offer a free transaction, there may be a monthly limits. After reaching this limit, additional transactions are chargeable, with lead to increase the cost if a business exceeds their limit frequently. Fees for additional banking services. Some values added services such as POS, installation, international transfer, or specific business banking features may come additionally fees. These charges can accumulate and increase the account operational cost, which may disadvantage for budget conscious startups. Limit coverage in rural areas. Kotak Mahindra branch network primarily concentrated in urban areas. Startups located in rural or semi-urban regions may find it challenges to access branch-based services, especially if they require in-person banking. Account maintenance charges. Despite the zero balance periods, there may still be some maintenance fees associated with the startup current account for availing specific services. These charges can affect a business if they frequently require these account additional services. Complex fees structure. The fees structure from various features and the transaction can be complex, with different charges based on the transaction type, volume, and the account variant. The complexity may lead to the confused trade current account feature. Comprehensive transaction solution. The trade current account providing a business with a broad array of the transaction options including NEFT, RTGS, and IMPS, enabling quick domestic fund transfer. Additionally, it supports the trade-related transactions like letter or of credit. Dedicated forex and trade advisory services. With the access of the specialized terms, client can receive advice on currency fluctuation management, compliances with the regulatory guidelines, and structuring forex transactions for efficient and cost-effective international trade. Simplified import and export documentation. The service includes assistance in handling bills of lading, invoices, and certificate of origin, making the documentation process more meaningless and helping ensure a compliance with the trade regulations. Preferential rates for forex transaction. Account holder can benefit for the preferred foreign rates on a foreign exchange transaction, which is valuable for a business that frequently deal in international trade. Digital and mobile banking access. Provide account holder with easy access to their trade account through mobile and online banking. Client can monitor account activity, initiate transaction, and manage trade-related services and generate transaction report in pros. Extensive transaction option. The trade current account provide access to numerous transaction options like NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, and international trade transactions such as letter of credit and bank guarantee. Dedicated forex advisory services. The services can be invaluable in protecting business for forex market volatility, providing expert guidance to maximizing exchange rate benefits. Simplified import and export documentation support. Business dealing in international trade benefit from documentation support for importing and exporting. This can support including help in crucial paperwork like bills of lading and certificate of origin, reducing administrative burdens and ensuring that trade documentation is correctly managed. Preferring forex rate. Account holder can receive a preferential rates of forex transactions such as currency convertible. This lower rate help for business cut down transaction costs, which beneficial for companies regularly holding a foreign currency, improving cost-effective and international trade. Access to digital banking and trade platform provide real-time access to account activities, international transaction, and trade-related documentation. Business can conduct a transaction, monitor account statement, and manage a finance and go on. Offer a course high minimum balance requirement. Come with a high minimum balance requirement compared to the standard current account from a small or a new business with the limited cash flow. This could be become a financial strain, specified if a fund need to be frequent allocated towards the maintaining the balance. Services charges on various transactions. It may incur a multiple services fees or for certain transactions such as international fund transfer or a large domestic transaction. These charges can add up over time, implementing the overall cost of maintaining the account for a small business with a high transaction volume. Limited free transaction. The limitation might not be suitable for companies with intensive transaction need, as they may end up paying higher charges for transaction beyond the fee limit. Currency conversion rate fluctuation. While preferential forex rates are provided, the currency conversion rate can still fluctuate, affecting cost for business engaging in foreign transaction. Unexpected rate charges could be lead to the in transaction cost, implicating budgeting and the financial planning for trade. Eligibility and compliance requirement. This process could be for a smaller business or a startup that are just starting to engage in international trade, adding a layer of complexity to the account startup.